Hello guys, this is Hariharan. Today we will see how to build a simple agent using Google's Agent Development Kit in less than 30 seconds. So for this I have created a folder called demo, and inside that I have created a Python environment, and after activating the Python environment I gave the command pip install Google ADK in order to install the Google Agent Development Kit Python library. And after installing that, you just need to give a single command for creating an agent, like ADK create my agent. So my agent is the name of the agent. Giving this is enough, and you need to select a model. For now I will select Gemini 2.5 Flash, and or AI I am selecting Google AI or giving the API key. And you can create a API key from Google AI Studio. I am giving my API key, and after this, that's all. Agent is created. Now just if you give us ADK Web, to UI will be available in that, and if you click this, so you got your UI now. And this you can type hi and you will get the message, and you can trace the like invocation and also how the agent is communicating with the LLM. These we can see in the trace. Thank you, and for more updates kindly follow my page.